We are just starting working on the tree. The mailbox is broken all the way. Before we start cutting the tree, we have everything broken, messed up. So the customer ain't gonna say that we did break it. So we have the workers right there getting ready to pick up to cut the tree. We are cleaning the house. To leave it in the exact same condition. So that's we replace the pipe, fix the pipe right there. Those are the pieces, broken pieces and rotten pieces. So that's the house, Mr. Jose Lacerda. So that's the main entry. That's the condition that we have. So there's the main door. Everything looks clean. It looks the way it's supposed to be. That's the driveway. We're ready to wash it away. We're good to go. We have the garage. That's the ladies' car. This is the patches that we did after we leveled the foundation. This is the right side of the house. Good condition. This is the pieces. The customer asked us to put them there. After we finish, we are about to wash this dirt out of the walls. This is the way it looks after we finish the foundation. We put the door on the side just to put it out of the way. It's not perfect, but nothing is perfect in this work. It looks there. We have to move all the items out of the way to put it in a good position, the way it looks professional, organized. These are the patches that we did. We are about to wash the walls. Good to go. These are the patches that we did. These items, we moved them back and forth just to make it look nice and organized. This is the other area. We're about to rinse the walls, make it look nice. This is the backyard. So we have to organize it and gray the dirt all the way around. He has a bunch of items laying around. This is the back side, the left side of the house. And this is the other side of the fence. This is the walls that we're about to rinse. We'll take another video. We're gonna have the finished product after we finish. So this is my guy rinsing the walls, making sure that everything is good to go. So we're good to go right there. Those are my guys ready to help the Mr. Jose Lacerda to remove the tree, and we go from there.